How to fix Microsoft Office error 30145-4 in Windows. In the installation wizard, look for options such as Online Repair or Quick Repair. Select either Online Repair or Quick Repair, depending on your preference. Click on the Repair button to initiate the repair process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Repair wizard to complete the repair process. Method 3. Reinstall Office. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.